Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another wig install from I Like Hair. This is their Wear and Go Jerry Curly wig with kinky edges. It does come pre-cut for you, and this is a 6x6 lace closure bob looking wig. This is definitely a cute wig, and you guys, it took me like 5 minutes, I swear, to go ahead and throw this wig on, and that is it. I did not have to do anything to this wig, which is amazing. Before we jump into the video, I do just want to let you guys know that I Like Hair is having a pre-Black Friday sale starting now. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. I'll have the link there as well. Go ahead and get you some wigs at this greatly discounted price. You guys don't want to miss out on this. I also do just want to let you guys know that with I Like Hair, what you see is what you get. I Like Hair's products are all produced according to unified standards. Whether it's to influencers or customers, they will be sent at a unified standard. So what you guys see on my screen is exactly what you would get as well. Every customer gets what they want from I Like Hair. So now that you guys saw everything that comes along with the box, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into this install. As you guys can see, the curls are definitely bouncy. They are given. So inside of the wig, you do have a nice stretchy dome cap with an elastic band that is adjustable. You have a lot of room on that lace as well. And remember that this lace does come with kinky edges, which definitely helps as far as helping your wig look natural. That way you don't have to sit there and blend for hours. With I Like Hair, their lace is amazing anyway, so you don't have to do that. But yeah, kinky edges just make it even more quicker. So after adding some foundation onto that lace, go ahead and adjust that adjustable strap and throw the wig on. Now with this wig, you do not need any glue nor spray. It's a very easy wear and go wig. As you guys can see, it does come with the pre-cut lace, so again, that just makes your life a whole lot more easier, and it is very friendly for beginners. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip the hair back because I want to get a closer look at these kinky edges as well as that lace. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my rat tail comb and just comb those kinky edges back because I didn't want them to look like they're out of place. I want them to blend in with the rest of the hair. I feel like that's very important. Sometimes the kinky edges could be a little bit too kinky, so you want to go ahead and just blend it on in with the rest of the hair. And as I'm doing this, you guys can't even see the lace, which is crazy. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit more of foundation right at the edges here just to ensure, just to be safe and make sure that everything is blending in with my natural complexion. And then I'll also be going in with a lighter foundation right in that parting area just to kind of mimic scalp because your scalp is a lot lighter than the rest of your complexion. And again, this wig does come with that part already there for you. The wig literally comes ready to go. So obviously my natural edges aren't as kinky, but I'm showing you guys where my hairline is, and if I was to place the wig like right behind my hairline, you cannot even see the lace and the kinky edges just blend right on in. I really wanted to show you guys that because I was like, that is crazy. I'm sliding the comb underneath the lace just to prove to you guys that I did not sneak and add any type of spray or glue, melting spray. I didn't do anything, okay? So normally when you guys see me use my wax stick, my hot comb is coming right up next, but I didn't actually need to do that this time. I'm just using my wax stick just to help lay down any flyaways that I may have. And then for the rest of this tutorial, all we're gonna do is just fluff these curls out a little bit. Now when it comes to fluffing your curls, you don't want to make the hair frizzy. You don't want to ruin the curl pattern because again, they send you the wig ready to go. As you guys can see, it's giving volume and the curls are really defined, so I was not trying to ruin that. But at the same time, I really just wanted to shape the wig to fit my face best. So I'm using water to do that. That way I don't make the hair frizzy or mess up the curl pattern in general. Okay, and we are pretty much done, you guys. Look how this hair is just nice and bouncy. She's giving quality, she's giving defined curls, she's giving great density as well. And again, I love the fact that I was able to just take this wig right out the box, throw her on, do a little quick spritz with the water, and that is literally it. And it also definitely helps that the lace does come pre-cut for you as well, and the quality of the lace was really good also. You guys saw how easily the lace melted even before I added the additional foundation, and that is extremely important, especially if you're looking for a wig that you do not have to use any glue on and that you don't have to use any spray on. Quality lace is super important, and I feel like when it comes to ILIKEHAIR, they always have wigs with great lace in general. So that is all that I had to do for this wig, you guys. Make sure you check out my description box down below. Definitely remember to take advantage of the pre-Black Friday sales. You guys want to ensure that you take full advantage of that, because you'll be getting nice high quality wigs at a great discounted price. And again, wigs like this one is something that you may want to have in your collection because they are super easy, they are beginner friendly, and all you have to do is just throw them on and leave your house. That's literally it. And then of course, when you get home, take the wig off, sit it on your mannequin head or however you store your wigs, and then just go on about your day. And that's all you have to do. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you for tuning in, of course. Shout out to ILIKEHAIR, and I will see you guys next time.